equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure you have the right tools. You'll need a small Phillips screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap. First, power off your Asus V3607V and unplug it. Remove the battery for safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel. Carefully unscrew them and gently lift the panel off. This exposes the internal components. Now, look for the BIOS chip. It's usually near the CPU. Before proceeding, clean the area with compressed air to remove any dust. This ensures a clear view and prevents damage. Using your screwdriver, carefully extract the BIOS chip. Be gentle to avoid bending any pins. Once removed, inspect it visually for any signs of damage. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. We can pick up and deliver at your home, so there's no need for calls or travel. You'll receive a quote before any repair is done, ensuring transparency. After extracting the BIOS, you can proceed with your next steps. Reassemble your laptop by reversing the disassembly process. Always double-check that everything is secure before powering it back on. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.